I suspect he has read more legislation than some of the people who wrote it. In fact, when a bill affecting education is tabled in Quebec, somewhere a government lawyer quietly wonders, how long will it take to receive this? But beyond the courtrooms, board meetings, and public debates, Joe's work has always been about people. It has been about students seeking opportunity, families seeking security, and communities seeking someone willing to defend what matters to them. Leadership is not always comfortable. It often requires difficult choices and difficult conversations. Joe has never shied away from them. His contribution extends far beyond any single cause or campaign. It lies in the example he has set, that citizenship means caring enough to stand up, speak out, and serve. Joe, thank you for your courage, your leadership, and your unwavering commitment to public service. It's my privilege to present you the D'Arcy-McGee Citizenship.
Good evening, thanks everyone. That was really nice, thank you, Elisabeth. I haven't accomplished anything in my life by myself. So everything that I've been able to do, I've been able to do thanks to the amazing people that I work with and the love and support of my family. And so I hope not to take too long, but I do need to take an opportunity to thank some people without whom I wouldn't be here today. First and foremost, my parents, who are the most important people in my life. My brother, my older brother, who's the best role model that a young boy could look up to. My sister, without whom I wouldn't have become a lawyer. Quite literally, we went to law school together, and she went to more classes and took more notes than I did. When you grow up in a traditional Italian family, you're not just raised by your parents, you're raised by your grandparents and your aunts and uncles and your great aunts and uncles, all of whom took a part in raising me and instilling the values that I hold dear to this day. I have an amazing group of colleagues that through the years are not just colleagues anymore, they become friends. The people I work with at the EMSB, the senior management there, Nick Katalifos, Pella Nicolatopoulos, Jack Chadirjan, and a great team at the Quebec English School Board Association, Dave Malash and Christopher Craig, who's the vice president. The people I work with at Talk now, Ava and Sylvia, and the great advocacy that they do, we're able to accomplish great things because of all of their hard work. And I do need to give a shout out to Mark Power and Audrey Mayrand, who are here, and Power Law. Without them, we wouldn't have English school boards in Quebec. So thank you for your years of advocacy. I'm a lawyer by profession, and sometimes that requires a little bit of investigative work, so I was going to find out eventually. So I do need to give a shout out to Jamie Fabian and Elena Gross for nominating me. Thank you very much. I'm very humbled and touched by that. Jamie is a city councillor in Côte St. Luc, and prior to that, he was a school commissioner with me at the EMSB. For 4 years, he represented Côte St. Luc and Hampstead, and what he didn't have in age and years of experience, he made up with in maturity and an eagerness to learn the job. And I know that he serves his constituents in Côte St. Luc very well. Elena is a school commissioner at the Lester B. Pearson School Board in the West Island, and she's as strong an advocate for English-speaking education and Anglo rights as much as I am, and we definitely need more school commissioners like her in the West Island and across Quebec. I have to make a mention of my colleagues who sit with me on council. TJO, my team that ran with me. Susan, Chelsea, Paula, Maria, Sharon, Pietro, James, Mario, Paula, and Julian. We ran a campaign together, and throughout that time, you guys became like my second family. The parent commissioners, Jessica, Julie, Jennifer, and Marika, you guys do great advocacy for the groups that you represent, and together, the 15 of us, I know we work hard, but I can honestly say we have right now the best council that the EMSB has ever had, and the results really show that. Last and most certainly not least, I consider myself very privileged throughout life. I'm someone who I think didn't start the race at the start line, but well ahead because of the love and support that I have from my family. And the foremost influential people in my life that I had the fortune of being able to meet are my grandparents, who are quite frankly my heroes, because they made the ultimate sacrifice of abandoning everything that they knew, their family, their language, their culture, their country, all to come to a place, and not for a better life for themselves, because they had it hard and they worked tremendously hard while they were here, but for a better life for future generations that hadn't been born yet. And I wouldn't be a fraction of the man that I am today if it wasn't for the values that they instilled in me and taught me. Those values of an honest day's work, being true to yourself, honesty, integrity, and standing up for what you believe in, even when it is hard. So I have one grandma here. She's 93 years old. God bless her. And my only wish and my only motivation in life is that if they could see me, that they're proud of who I am and what I've accomplished. So thank you very much, and I hope everyone enjoys the ceremony. I do want to say I'm very humbled to be one of the recipients among the 7 others who I consider heroes for all of the years of advocacy that they've done, and some of them who are remarkable heroes who put their lives on the line to save others, and some who have saved countless lives through the work that they do. So congratulations to them as well. Thank you very much.